SMA has been so eye-opening. So I would say do it, because if you are having guilt, or if you're struggling, or if people are judgy on something that just comes natural to you, and maybe you feel like I have to follow the norm and I have to fit into this box. I feel like SMA, what it did for me was it gave me the permission. And I think a lot of times, and I hate that, especially with women, like we need that permission to just be okay with who we are and to be different from society. And so, yes, okay, if you need the permission, I give you the permission to invest in SMA, and then you're going to get the permission that it's okay when you have that tingling feeling like this doesn't feel authentic to me. This doesn't feel quite right. Maybe I'm just not cut out. No, you are definitely cut out. You just need to know like what your strengths and what your weaknesses are. And when you know that, you're going to be able to make grounded and sound and very smart decisions in your life, not just as an entrepreneur, but I know there are people on here that are not trying to go toward that, but just in your life in general. So yes, definitely invest in SMA just to understand yourself better and show up in this world as your most authentic you.
So I'd love to invite you to be one of our next inspiring case studies as well. So check out SMA. I hope you come and join us, and it's your time and you're ready for the next step.